Hello, and today we're gonna be making some slime at home. DIY, do it your freaking self. All you will need is some glue, some food coloring. This is optional, honestly. I think a little color adds some pizzazz, but that's just my opinion. And then some Tide detergent, or any, really. You can use Tide, you can use Stop-Lo, you can use borax. There's many activators you can use. And this is just what I'm using today. Okay, so what you'll need, I'm doing clear and regular so you can see the difference, but you need glue, and then some Tide detergent, and then obviously some Tupperware so you can make it, and then a mixing tool. Okay. I'm gonna make the white one first. You're gonna need a whole You're gonna need a whole bottle of glue. Oh, just one bottle of glue, you know. Really just get the glue out. Don't want any glue left behind. Okay. And then you're gonna add in your food coloring because we want some colorful slime. Give yourself a generous amount because we go hard or we go home. Just mix in that food coloring till it's mixed in so it's colorful. And just once it looks pretty good to you, just start to get in some detergent. I recommend doing almost equal parts detergent and glue because, sometimes you just need a lot of detergent to really activate the slime. So, and then just start mixing and your slime should start to concoct itself. I think the detergent, depending on what activator you use, which you can use borax, Stop-Lo, and then obviously Tide like I did, but the Tide dyes it. So now I'm gonna have some green slime. And then once you deem it good enough, you gotta go in with your hands and just really start to, start to mix it together so you can form the slime. And just make sure to get all the activator in the bowl because you might need it. Oops, getting slime everywhere. I'd like to state this one is a really pretty color. I've never done this color before because I don't know, because I haven't.